Down to a case that has captured a lot of attention. Allegations of an affair between a husband and a Fairfax County family's au pair and an elaborate scheme to murder his wife. Tomorrow morning, that man, Brendan Banfield, will be back in court. Tonight, though, our Katie Lusso is getting us up to speed on this case.
Tomorrow's hearing is expected to be procedural, one of many leading up to Brendan Banfield's October trial. Now, he is accused of killing his wife and another man as the couple's 4-year-old daughter was inside the home. Now, legal experts say this case is anything but simple. Brendan Banfield is now facing child abuse and murder charges. Investigators allege he and the family's au pair, Juliana Perez-Magalis, were having an affair and plotted to kill his wife, Christine. Prosecutors say they lured a man named Joseph Ryan to the family's Fairfax County home in February of 2023 after connecting with him on a website for sexual fetishes. Christine Banfield was found stabbed to death. Ryan had been shot.
He started stabbing her. I think Brendan shot him.
Perez-Magalis was arrested in October of 2023 and charged with Ryan's death. In September of 2024, Brendan Banfield was arrested and charged with both murders. Days later, she took a plea deal and agreed to testify against him.
I understand that she got a reduced charge, has agreed to cooperate against him, and probably receive some very favorable terms in that deal, from what I understand.
Criminal defense attorney Frank Salvedo, who's handled more than 100 jury trials, is not involved in this case, but is familiar with it.
It's really going to depend upon, I think, the forensic evidence. It will also depend upon the testimony of the au pair. I think that will be the linchpin of the prosecutor's case. If her testimony is corroborated in a substantial way, that's problematic for the defense. If her testimony is impeached or her credibility is not established by the prosecutor, that can be a real benefit for the defense.
Prosecutors have also asked to admit statements from Banfield's then 4-year-old daughter who was inside the home during the killing.
Perhaps in this case, the defense will be able to cross-examine that child. I think that child is now 7 years old, which may play into the judge's decision. Obviously, that's a delicate situation to cross-examine a 7-year-old if it comes to that.
He says a lot can still happen ahead of October's trial.
This is an interesting, intriguing, and kind of twisted case in a lot of ways.
So tomorrow it's expected that several Fairfax County police officers who were involved in the investigation will take the stand. The hearing is expected to get underway at 10 a.m. I'm Katie Lusso. Back to you.